YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledgexl, my channel howto. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Quick unboxing here real quick is the Jordan 1 mid. And without further ado, let's get into it. This is gonna be the white, black, and hyper royal. Yeah. And it's the SE mid size 10, you already see it. Cool. So this I bought from Hibbett Sports. Cover my address real quick for a decent amount when they first came out. I'm sure there's still some of it at the outlets if you want to cop. But yeah, there you go. The only reason why I cop these is because they look like the other Jordan 1. What's the name? The blue, black, and the red. But anyways, decent shoe. I like the white lacing that comes with it stock. Yeah, quick review. Patent, not patent, tumbled leather right here in the mid section. Black swoosh, which is in suede right here too at the tip of the toes. Toe box is in red with that perforations. On the side you've got that Jordan 1 Flight Wings logo. Midsole is white. Bottoms are pure black with the Nike and swoosh right there. Pretty much it. On the tongue is the the blue and then the red, the crimson and the hyper royal. Let's see the insides real quick. Shoe tree right there and nothing to it. I'm not gonna pop out the mid the soles. But anyway, stay tuned for the on-feet action real quick. I know a lot of people don't like the Jordan 1 mid, but I happen to like it because I feel like it's not different from the high tops. They release some colorways that pretty much are similar to the high tops, except that the high tops are released in very limited quantities and they become very hard to find. And if you do find it, resellers are selling it at a ridiculous amount of money. But I'm not gonna pay for it. You know what I mean? Style starts with you. If you can make it look good and if you can make it match, that is all that matters. It's not about the price. It's about how you rock it. You know what I mean? All right, stay tuned for the on-feet action. And until I see you next in my other videos, peace out.
Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Everything went wrong and it hurts us. I had to go and pull the plug on my first love. I had to see you take a last breath. You ain't never felt pain till you feel it in your chest. Look, I took a bullet and I'd rather take another one than to feel the same pain, and that's on my son. I've been down in the dirt for so many years. You ain't never seen a grown man shed tears. All I really wanna see is the best you. Put my life on the line to protect you. You were right there when I didn't have no ends. You were there when I came through in the Benz, but you still broke my heart, fucking with my friends. Ever since then I never really had a chance. Now my heart is made of stone, left in God's hands. Now I understand it's all a part of God's plans. Still gutted, still hurt, still in the dirt. You just talk about that life, but you don't know the first. Coming from a broken home like it's all good. Now I'm walking with my heat through the wrong hood. God please guide me to a better way. All I really got is faith, every day I pray. I can still feel it beating deep up in my ribs. I swear to God, all my life I do it for my kids. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in